Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on a website. Geometry Dash is a fantastic rhythm-based platformer, but it's important to know its official availability. The game is primarily designed for mobile devices and personal computers. While many games offer browser versions, Geometry Dash does not have an official web-based platform. This means we need to explore alternative approaches for a web-like experience. Let's clarify where you can officially find Geometry Dash. You can download it from the Apple App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android devices. For computer users, the full version is available for purchase on Steam. These official channels ensure you get the most stable, secure, and feature-rich experience, complete with all updates and community features. Since there's no official web version, the only way to get a web-like experience involves unofficial methods. One common approach is using an Android emulator on your computer, which lets you run the mobile app. Another option could be cloud gaming services that stream the game to your browser. However, be aware that these methods might introduce latency or performance issues, and always prioritize security. To truly enjoy Geometry Dash, we recommend sticking to the official platforms. The Steam version provides the best performance and control for PC players, while mobile versions are perfect for gaming anywhere. If you choose to explore unofficial web alternatives, always proceed with caution regarding security and potential performance trade-offs. Ultimately, the goal is to have fun with this incredibly engaging game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.